Welcome back, guys. I am here with another tutorial. Today we're going to make some mini pencil bows. These are super simple to make. It took me about 15 minutes for each bow, and here's what we will need. I did use cotton yarn for this project. We'll also need some super glue or a hot glue gun if you have one, some clips for your barrettes, a 3.5 millimeter hook, and also a pair of scissors. And that is all. Let's get started. And to begin, we are going to start with our yellow yarn. Like I said, we're going to need a 3.5 millimeter hook, and you will go ahead and create your slip knot. Then you're going to chain 65. And once you have 65 chains, you're going to go into the second chain from the hook and do a half double crochet. And then you will continue to half double crochet down your chain. And once you have a total of 64 half double crochets, you're going to go ahead and cut your yarn, and then you'll fasten off. And now you're going to go to the end of your half double crochets, and you're going to attach your gray yarn with 2 slip stitches. And once you have your 2 slip stitches there with your gray yarn, you're going to go ahead and chain 1. Then you'll turn your work and do 1 half double crochet in each of your slip stitches. Now you'll go ahead and cut your gray yarn, fasten off, and then it's time to start with your pink yarn for the eraser. So again, you'll begin with your slip knot onto your hook, and then you will slip stitch into the gray yarn that you just left off. And for this row, we are going to work single crochets. You'll do 1 into the same stitch that you slip stitched into, and then another into the chain next to it. Then you'll chain 1 and do 2 more single crochets for the next row. Now you're ready to fasten off with your pink yarn and begin on the tip of the pencil. So for the tip, we will begin on the other side of the yellow half double crochets, and we're going to use our tan colored yarn. Of course, begin with a slip knot, and then we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into the other side of the yellow yarn, just as you connected the gray yarn on the other side. You're then going to chain 2, and since we're going for a triangle shape, we're going to do a double crochet 2 together. And then, of course, you'll fasten off. And to add the black tip of the pencil, you're just going to need a small amount of black yarn. And you'll go right into the tip of our triangle here. And what I did was just loop this black yarn around the tip about 3 times, and I secured it with a double knot. All right, now for tucking in your ends or hiding your ends, you can do this your preferred way. Some of the strings I was able to weave in, while others I just double knotted and cut very close. Now again, this is cotton yarn, so it wasn't unraveling the way that acrylic yarn typically would. So I was able to get away with just making some really close cuts there. You can also feel free to use glue to secure, your any flyaway pieces that you have. This is a hair bow, so it's not going to be scratchy on your skin or anything like that. Whatever works to tuck in and hide those pieces, you go ahead and do it. Once you have all your ends tucked in, you're going to go ahead and take your pencil and form it into a bow. You'll then take some yellow yarn and you are going to wrap it around the center of your bow and secure it with double knots in the back. Now go ahead and cut off any excess yarn And now you're going to want to grab your glue and your clip. Now, super glue did work okay for this project, but I think next time I will definitely use hot glue instead, because I do feel like it's just easier to use, neater, less risky to glue your fingers together. So yeah, if you have hot glue, I recommend using that, as long as you're not using acrylic yarn. And there you have it, your very own mini pencil bow. These are super cute and fun to make. Be sure to give me a like, subscribe, comment, share this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.